How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be taking us through our sales data from the years 2016 to 2019, and hopefully we can find some trends that we can help identify and fix if they're hurting our business. So yeah, we're going to start with the sales by product and region. Here on this chart, you can sort by year, so we can just look at 2016, and it also sorts by region, so we can look at central versus east, south, west, and then by category and subcategory. But specifically, I've identified that the sales in the south are something that need to be examined, and it looks like machines have a very high number of sales. So here we're going to go to the profit map, and we'll see that the states that are highest in profits are Georgia and Virginia. But if we include binders, machines, and tables, it looks like we're actually Georgia and Virginia are still doing very strong, but actually Tennessee, North Carolina, and Florida are all struggling greatly. So here we're going to look at our negative profits bar chart, and we have identified the top 5 cities that are showing poor performance, and it looks like machines in all of these are performing very poorly. So here now we're going to check out we have our map, and we can identify by year. So North Carolina is really struggling in all of these different years. 2018 had a bit of a bounce back, and then 2019 clearly doing very awful. So how can we improve profits in the South, I think, is a question that we should be asking ourselves. So here we have our sales and profit by year in the South. We're just looking at 2019 right now, but if we go to all years, we can see that we haven't been performing as well as of late. And then here we're going to look at our machine sales and profit by year. Machines aren't looking to be very profitable right now, so let's try and identify where we're underperforming. So it looks like North Carolina is really where we're underperforming. So we're going to look at North Carolina, and we're going to try and identify what specifically is causing this underperformance. So here we can see the profits in 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. Like we saw earlier, there was an extreme dip in profits. So we want to know where we're losing money in North Carolina. It looks like machines in Burlington, North Carolina lost nearly $4,000. So we believe that's the cause of where we're going to lose our money. So in conclusion, machines in Burlington are causing us to lose a lot of money, a lot of profits, and we should do something to fix that.